out on the lanai. Continuation video number 3. Video number 3, Hawaiian Paradise Park Viewmaster. Okay, coming in from the lanai, you walk in and here is the studio. Those doors right there lead to the garage. See, there's the garage. Okay, we're going to try one more time with this video, just a little bit further. I think we're going to go outside, walk outside, see what happens. And here you go, outdoors. And this concludes video number 3. Howard Dinich, your real estate agent with the Big Island of Hawaii, BigIslandRealEstate.com. I'm with Remax Resort Realty, and I'd like to be your real estate agent. So why don't you give me a call? That's right, Howard Dinich, your real estate agent at 877-434-6487. Give me a call on the Big Island at 808-965-8118, or give me an email, howard@howarddinnich. Either way, let's talk. If this house isn't for you, I'm certain I'll have others that will meet your needs, but you know what? Call me about this one and let's talk. Howard Dinich.